is the most legendary culinary dishes, nasi pete, one of many prides of the city of Nganjuk. Is a legendary culinary dish known as nasi pete. Nasi pete is the most famous meal in our beautiful city, Nganjuk. Many people from outside Nganjuk are very curious about this food because it's unique meal. They often come here during the holidays just to try a grab of it. It is truly a special part of our local culture that is so proud of. In Indonesian, the word pecek actually means many people want to eat something to sound like paddle on street. However, the name actually describes the rice served with a lot of delicious soup. When you see bowl, rice seems to be swimming in a rich and syrupy yellow color. This is why local people started calling it nasi pecek many years ago. It is a grand name that makes everyone remember the food very easily. So, what exactly is inside the bowl of nasi pecek that makes it so tasty? It is perfect combination of the favorite Indonesian food, kut curry and kut satay. Usually, when we eat satay, it stays on the wooden skewer. But in nasi pecek, the seller removes the meat from the skewer first, then put it on the top of the rice. This unique way of serving makes it very easy and enjoyable to eat. The soup used in nasi pecek is a type of gulai or curry, made with traditional herbs. You can smell the energy aroma of ginger, turmeric, and coriander from a distance. The soup is not too thick like some other curries, so it feels light and fresh. When the hot soup is poured over the rice, it creates a mouth-watering aroma that instantly makes you hungry. Most people also like to add some bean sprout and a bit of lime juice. These extra ingredients give the dish a crunchy texture and slightly sour taste. If you wanted to find the best nasi pecek, you should visit the area near the Jais Tambah Waterfall on Ahmad Dhani Street. There are many legendary food stalls that have been serving this dish for a very long time. Even though the places are small and simple, they are always crowded with many hungry customers. You can see families, students, and workers sitting together to enjoy their lunch or dinner. Nasi pecek, not just a simple meal, it is a tradition that we often share with our parents and grandparents on the weekends. Whenever we have guests from other cities, such as Surabaya or Jakarta, we always take them to enjoy nasi pecek. It is our way of showing them the hospitality and delicious flavors of our hometown. We must learn how to explain this food in English so we can promote Nganjuk to the world. Serving our local food is a wonderful way to make new friends from different places. In conclusion, nasi pecek is a legendary culinary dish that everyone should try at least once. The combination of soft rice, savory kut curry, and smoky satay brings a flavor you will never forget. It represents the hard work of our local cooks who continue our traditional recipes. That's our report from Nganjuk. I'm Sultan Dippo, sending it back to the studio.